सभी प्रस्ताव और समर्थन एक ही नाम के मिले। उसके बाद दूसरे नाम के लिए भी सबको समय दिया गया, पर्याप्त समय दिया गया, मगर कोई दूसरा नाम नहीं आया है। इसलिए केंद्रीय पर्यवेक्षक के रूप में मैं श्री शुभेंदु अधिकारी जी को पश्चिम बंगाल विधानमंडल दल के नेता के रूप में निर्वाचित घोषित करता हूं।
Shubhendu won from the Nondigram seat in Purbo Mednipur, his home turf, where he had defeated then Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in the 2021 Assembly election. He has repeated the feat in 2026, but what has made headlines is his victory against Mamata Banerjee from the Bhobanipur constituency in Kolkata. Born on December 15, 1970 in Karkuli in undivided Mednipur, Shubhendu was raised in a political environment and rose through the ranks as he aspired to take on greater responsibilities. His father, Shishir Adhikari, was a member of parliament from the Trinamool Congress and served as Union Minister of State in the Manmohan Singh government. He later switched to the BJP. Shubhendu himself has been with the BJP since 2020 after quitting the Trinamool Congress. With that exit, the entire Adhikari family shifted its allegiance to the BJP. Once considered a close associate of Mamata Banerjee, Shubhendu Adhikari proved to be a valuable asset in the BJP's years-long effort to wrest West Bengal. Shubhendu Adhikari's brother, Dibendu Adhikari, who is also with the BJP, won from the Agra seat in the recently concluded elections. He retraces his older sibling's political journey from Kontai.
Shubhendu Adhikari is son of the soil of Kontai, and he started his political journey in Kontai College. Then after becoming councillor, MLA, MP, Minister of various portfolios, and also performed 5 years as a leader of opposition of Bharatiya Janata Party. He defeated Mamata Banerjee last election from Nandigram AC. He defeated Mamata Banerjee again, second time from Bhawanipur AC. He's tested leader.
Shubhendu Adhikari's college mates remember him as someone who had long been preparing himself to become West Bengal's chief minister.
शुभेंदु अधिकारी कॉलेज लाइफ से वो हमसे छोटा था, जूनियर था राजनीति में। उसको फर्स्ट कॉलेज लाइफ में उन्होंने कॉलेज मेंबर था, उसका बाद जीएस हुआ, उसका बाद काउंसिलर हुआ, कंटेबी कॉरपोरेशन में वो चेयरमैन भी था। वो खुद को सीएम बनने के लिए मेंटल प्रिपरेशन खुद लिया है। बहुत मेहनत के बाद वो खुद को सीएम बनने के लायक बनाया है। हम लोग उसको सपोर्ट किया है हार्टिली।
उनका जो पिताजी है, हम लोग का जो गुरुदेव पॉलिटिक्स का शिशिर अधिकारी, वो तो हम लोग का बॉस। उनका बेटा था। साल 1988 जब प्रभात कुमार कॉलेज में हम गया था, तब से वो यूनियन मेंबर था, जीएस था, तब से हमारे साथ जान परिचय है।